We are back on the boat. Ready for a little celebration?
It's time to celebrate, baby.
First test of the electrical system.
Let's see what this upgrade can do.
I'm getting older.
It should be like this.
Today, the captain will show you a new device we have on board.
Came across this thing.
As will I. Come see what it's all about.
I'm just gonna take this little valve out right here.
Then, we'll get into some maintenance.
Let's try them on and find out what we want to wear.
Let's open this thing.
We're back on board Calypso, and we're getting her ready to sail away. Let's do it.
Ready for a little celebration?
We're gonna pop this bottle, just pour it all over the chart plotters.
Yeah, oh my gosh, right.
We've just finished a huge upgrade, so we're popping the bubbly.
We are back on the boat. Came back yesterday evening, and now we're doing a little celebration. Gonna have some mimosas.
We're so happy to be back aboard. It's been a while, and there's nothing like being on the boat.
Cheers, honey.
Cheers.
Welcome back.
Is that the correct way to do a mimosa? Or
Well, this has way too much orange juice, but... So the first test of the electrical system is cooking for a holiday dinner.
Yes! It's going really well. This morning, actually we've been on battery power since about 9 o'clock.
Yeah.
It's a semi-cloudy day, right?
Yeah.
The sun's just
So
kind
we're
of
not getting a lot of solar.
No, we're not.
Yeah.
And I woke up, cooked French toast air fryer style, which was the best French toast I think we've ever had. Also used the microwave or convection oven for the sausage. And now we have a turkey cooking in the air fryer for an hour and a half. We've been running ACs, TVs, charging multiple things.
Just really exercising the system, right?
Yeah, it's going really well.
Never mind the unfinished hole. That's getting done.
This is gonna get fixed at some point.
Yeah.
Actually, I think it's like in works now. They're gonna ship it to us.
So far, so good.
The air fryer has been great, but I can't wait until we can make it pretty again.
Wow, I'm getting older.
You can't see? Because sit in close. I can't see shit.
I think it's 160 degrees. I can't see that far, but I know that line means 160.
Well, I like my turkey rare, so.
I'm gonna like probably shut her down.
One of the things that I did for this little upgrade was replace our scuba tanks. These were from Sea Sucker. It was one big rack for two, which I really liked, and it did a good job. I'm gonna keep it just in case. The only thing I didn't like about this when it showed up is that the rack would just kind of like slide off the end because it's on a rail. But all I did was just drill a hole and put a little bolt there. And it was aluminum, and this is stainless steel, and it really didn't do too bad over 5 years as far as corrosion. What they have now is like a single unit for each. You have to buy like 2 of these. So we have 4 tanks. I bought 4 of these, and I've already installed these 2 right here. You can see it kind of just wraps around, like you put it on there, you pull a little band around and wrap it on, and it secures the tank. So we'll see how that goes. You're supposed to push it, the little button, the little plunger, until the orange thing goes away. And then it should be like this, you know, but they all pop up and they just do it like every day. But this one's already doing that. And maybe I can get the seal a little better, I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and install these other ones and then we'll just test them out. I'll keep the old ones because I like them, and you know, if these suck, we'll put these back on.
How long are you gonna keep the old ones?
I'm gonna put them in storage for like, I don't know. They'll just be there.
Oh, okay. Mister, I want to throw everything away.
They're expensive.
Like he said, these racks have worked well, but they're pricey.
Then you want to take a little bit of like lubricant stuff and put it on the seal. Found a good little spot. Push the plunger. I mean, they have really great suction at first, and I mean, it did get worse with time.
It's pretty annoying, but as long as you keep up with the re-securing it, they seem to do the job.
Just put the tank on there. Stretch the band around to lock it in. And that's it. And like I said, like that one's popping up. I'll probably pull it off and try to maybe re-moisten that seal. It's not really popping off. It keeps the seal, but the little plunger comes up and you can see the orange ring, which I don't really like. But we'll see. I mean, this has worked really well. You know, our options for mounting scuba tanks were like down in lockers, which would take up a locker. Inside here, which you'd have to get a shorter scuba tank, which is possible. Another Antares has that, he loves it. But we went with the full-size scuba tanks and we mounted them out here, and it's been great ever since. We've done it for 5 years now.
Yeah.
You think so? And it really doesn't like bother us.
No,
with
not
the
at all.
walkway. Now, when we don't have it, it's like, damn, it's a huge walkway, right? But it doesn't bother us at all. Like groceries, nothing. What do you think?
It's been wonderful. I don't even notice it. It's just a part of the boat.
Yep. And it's right next to the dive compressor hookup, so I can fill the tanks right here in the racks.
It was time for the next task.
Hey dudes.
Hello.
How was school today?
Fun.
Good. He gets tutored by a lady here in the marina. Do you feel like me putting you to work today?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I mean, I feel like I've been working all week, for sure.
Yeah. Check out under your feet there. Pull that up. There you go.
Wow.
Our Spectra is back from being rebuilt.
It looks like you installed it already, so we're
No,
good.
it's not installed. That's my surprise. We're gonna install this today.
And then that means we also need to take the boat out to configure it.
Yeah. We'll have to like calibrate it.
Yeah.
I was hoping that I could get your help because it's a little funky. We got to climb up underneath here and do all kinds of stuff.
Do you realize like what's happening right now?
I know.
Besides cooking, and we're gonna eat. Microwave, AC, and I could still like run the water heater, and I'm going to, the dryer, and our air fryer if I wanted. I've done it all. Lunch is ready. I know you're eager to install that bad boy. Probably will not shower because it sounds like I'm gonna get pretty sweaty, but we'll knock out some lunch. We have gourmet leftovers.
Love it.
A little bit of shepherd's pie. Baby is upgraded to eating like biteable things. Yeah, good job. Gotta make it quick because I know you're antsy. What I've been noticing in the boat is a lot of the things are holding moisture, especially our drying mat where our dishes are. So I kind of started researching and I came across this thing. It's pretty cool. It's a little heavy, so I thought Jeremiah would get annoyed with me because he's trying to take weight off the boat. This is a little heavy. So this is our new drying mat. It's called the Dora?
Dorai?
I found it on Amazon. It was a little pricey, but it's working. So it's kind of like a stone almost.
Yeah.
It's not cloth. You can take this off to clean it. You use hydrogen peroxide. It's been working great. And it evaporates the moisture. It's really, really cool. Like,
yeah, it is pretty cool.
It just evaporates.
I think it's almost like a I don't know what the hell it is, like fur or something in there. I don't know.
Fur?
Like a really tight material, but it just absorbs the water.
Yeah, like a slate or something. But I'm liking it so far. Are you?
Yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. When I picked this up from JT, he recommended putting a pressure gauge in here. First thing he asked me was, hey, do you have a pressure gauge, when I was troubleshooting? And I didn't. And he didn't put it on, but when I was leaving, I went ahead and got one. So I'm gonna install this thing. I'm just gonna take this little valve out right here, put some Teflon tape on here, put it in here, and then install this little gauge so we can see the pressure whenever we're troubleshooting it. I'm gonna install this, hope it doesn't leak, and then we'll install it. So you can go chill and relax if you want to.
No, I'm gonna throw on some shorts or something because apparently I'm gonna be hot.
Jeremiah got started with installing the gauge while I went down below. He didn't need my help with this part anyway.
I'm coming in here to get changed really quick, and then we're gonna install this bad boy. Now, recently we've taken a lot of stuff off the boat, so I should be able to just grab some shorts. We got some black shorts there. Those will work. I don't know. Let's try them on and find out what we want to wear. I'm gonna go with the loose ones. Today I told them I wanted to like go and do something. It's Friday. I want to go out to dinner or something. And he's like, you dress hot? And I'm like, yeah, I'll dress hot. So I'm getting back to like dressing hot. You know, you kind of lose yourself when you have a baby. Got my toes painted. I'm a sailor girl that likes to be girly. Nothing wrong with that, I don't think. But it is time now to do the water maker. Oh, this is cute.
In between maintenance tasks, we always make it a point to enjoy the kids. Bryn is getting mobile, which means somebody needs to be on point constantly.
Grace, you're on baby duty.
You're on baby duty. Or you can film, or you can install.
Yeah. All right.
I'd rather film.
Oh, you get the best job.
Really?
Yes.
I'll put her inside for you. Say bye-bye.
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 Mwah.
What I wish I had was like an elbow, because this is going to be mounted where this is the top. So I wish it could like be out this way because I see a little bit better, but I don't right now. And I can easily just kind of like look up in there if I really had to. And you don't have to monitor this all the time, only for like troubleshooting. Once Brittany's ready, we'll go ahead and stuff this back there. It just takes like holding it from 2 different sections. That's why I need her help to do it, because I'm gonna be down in the lazarette and she's gonna be down here on the floor. Let's open this thing. All right, you're gonna be getting down in there. You're fine, that thing's not gonna, you can, you wanna feel safe, you go ahead and clip it.
I don't wanna get bonked in the head with anything but the obvious.
Hey, actually, let's get that head unit out before we do it, because I don't wanna accidentally hit the filters.
This thing?
Yeah.
This unit holds the filters, control panel, and feed pump. It gets mounted below as well. We've been storing it in this compartment.
Okay, now face back, face aft. See over here on the left? Go ahead and move that simple green out of the way so you can open that up. That's where you're gonna be working.
Like I have to get in there?
No, your arms will.
Oh, okay.
Jeremiah will be working in the starboard aft compartment. The first task was to hang the membrane on the bulkhead.
Can you look in here?
Yeah.
Yes. So we are going to be mounting the unit right here.
Okay.
You're going to be controlling that end, holding it up, and I'll be controlling this end. What we want to do is try not to let it get on this.
Okay.
This is the AC pump for the Seawater Pro water maker. I'm being lazy. I don't want to take it out. I took it out with this here so it can go in. So I'm just going to come down. I'm going to try to finagle this in, and you're going to reach your arm in, grab that end, and lift it up.
Installing this can be a little tricky. Just try not to damage any pipes along the way. Then he installed the feed pump unit. This is a DC water maker. In addition to our AC Seawater Pro unit, the Spectra has been a hassle, honestly. Hopefully after this rebuild, it'll work well.
I just came down and I made sure that the water maker comes on. It does. Circuit breaker's popped still. I just popped it back, but the battery's been doing great. 100%. You know, basically the grid goes straight to the battery chargers and they charge up. We run everything off of it. We have microwave that runs off it, air conditioning in the salon, washer and dryer, water heater, another water heater, and then the ACs in the rooms, and then these are all the outlets in the boat. Everything runs off the batteries, 50 amp, 30 amp, and then this is all of our DC stuff running off the batteries. So it's been good. Are you done?
I'm trying to be quiet while you, you know, film.
All right.
I hear you out there.
Yeah.
I'm done. Almost.
Okay, you're coming out this way?
I'm coming out. I'm coming out.
You come in the room? What are you doing?
I'm gonna go brush my hair and get dressed.
Okay. Well, you
It's a little
enjoy.
wet.
All right. Bye.
Hey, wait, before you go. Remember, we talked about the drying mat for the dishes?
Yeah.
Okay, this is the same brand. Look at this. You think it moves, but it doesn't. So this is our bath mat for the shower. Same brand, same concept, made out of the same material.
It's like a rock or something.
Yeah, it is, and it absorbs all the water.
Yeah, that's water spots on it, and it just sucks in there, and then.
Yeah, and then it goes back to color.
That thing's been awesome.
Right? So you don't have like this yucky bath mat that you have to throw up over here. You take some hydrogen peroxide or whatever, you clean it, and it absorbs and it's dry.
It's been sick.
I know. A lot of times on a boat, there's moisture, obviously. So we'd walk through here and it's like gross, wet on your feet. And so same brand, works really well.
Okay. Enjoy yourself, dear. There she goes.
Do you like one?
Have a quickie?
One's busy with a movie and the other one's napping. Like, 1, 2, 3, go.
Coming up,
I got a little emotional at the RV. We have a showing tomorrow morning. Who knows if it'll sell.
we'll be prepping the RV for being on the market.
You want to see how it works?
And we'll get this air fryer looking right.
We're gonna hook this plug up. We have the fan.
I can't wait to get it in there.
Before we drop the lines and take this baby out for a shakedown cruise.
I'm sure. I don't know if you can handle this.
Want more? Check us out at lazygeckos.net. Remember, patrons can get complimentary access. You can also visit our Vimeo channel. The link is below. Don't forget to click subscribe to get all of the fun. See you next week.